Welcome to the first time setup for your BuzzTV G-Series. Let's get you connected and ready to stream in just a few minutes. First, let's connect the hardware. Plug the HDMI cable into your TV and the back of your G-Series box. Once the HDMI is secure, plug in the power cable. Now, let's pair your remote. Hold the remote within 20 centimeters of the box and press the home and back buttons at the same time. Keep holding until the screen confirms the pairing is successful. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to select your language and your region or country. When it comes to the setup method, you can use the Google Home app on your phone for a quick sync, or simply choose Setup on TV to continue manually with your remote. Time to get online. For the best performance, you can plug an Ethernet cable into the back of the box. To use Wi-Fi, select your network from the list and enter your password. To get the full Google TV experience, sign in with your Google account. This allows you to sync your watch lists and access the Google Play Store. Once signed in, review and accept the Google Terms of Service and location settings. Next, we'll set up your remote to control your TV's volume and power. Select your TV brand from the list and follow the prompts to test the volume and power buttons. This allows you to control your entire entertainment system with just the G-Series remote. Once the system finishes installing your included apps, you'll be taken to the Google TV home screen. Finally, let's get your IPTV set up. Navigate to the Apps tab or use the search bar to find BuzzTV 6. Download and install the app to access our latest IPTV interface. And that's it! Your BuzzTV G-Series is fully configured and ready for action. For more tips and advanced settings, check out our other help videos in the description below. Happy streaming!